वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 3 का ईवीएस का लेसन नंबर 10 अबाउट किचन, ठीक है। तो इसके सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे, ठीक है। तो अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, ठीक है। तो चलते हैं वीडियो पे। तो फर्स्ट है चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज यूज टू रिमूव पूरीज और पकोड़ास फ्रॉम द पैन आफ्टर फ्राइंग them? The answer is a frying spoon. Question 2, which of the following tools does not belong to the kitchen? The answer is bucket. Third, which implement is used for cooking food with the help of solar energy? The answer is a solar cooker. Fourth, which of the following can be eaten raw? The answer is cucumber. C. Fifth, which cooking method is used to make bhakri? The answer is A, roasting. Sixth, which food is cooked by steaming? The answer is B, khaman. 7, eating too much food cooked by which method can prove harmful to health? The answer is C, fried. 8, without what does food taste bland? The answer is A, salt. Question 2, filling the blanks in each sentences with appropriate. First point, the energy required to cook food in a solar cooker is obtained from the sun. The answer is sun. Second, the dash method of cooking is used to make idli. The answer is used to make dosa. The answer is steaming. Third, we use dash to light a chula. The answer is fuel. Fourth, utensil made from dash and hardened in break on dashing against anything. The answer is mud. Fifth, food made in a cooker in cooked by the steaming. The answer is steaming. 6, your mother is making fenugreek pakodas more than is using the dash method of cooking. The answer is frying. 78 page number completed. The next 79 page number. Question 3, true false है. In first point, food is cooked quickly in a pressure cooker. The answer is true. Cook food on a chula is good for environment. The answer is false. Third, we use a round pot for making tea or coffee. The answer is false. Fourth, we can eat carrots, tomato and cucumber raw. The answer is true. Fifth, Roshan makes dhoklas. He will use the roasting method of cooking. The answer is false. Food is cooked in a solar cooker with the heat of the sun. The answer is true. Seventh, lemonade is made by adding sugar and lemon juice to water. The answer is true. Fourth question, match the column appropriately. In first, frying, the answer is puri. Roasting, the answer is bhakri. Steaming, the answer is dhoklas. Fourth, shallow frying, the answer is paratha. Fifth, roasting on fire, the answer is corn on the cob. Next question number 5, given below are different method of cooking. Write the name of 2 things cooked by each of these method. Add some more method of cooking to the list and give example. First, roasting. Method of cooking, name of thing. First, roasting, bhakri, roti, papad. Second, steaming, rice, khaman. Third, frying, puri, samosa, bhajia. Fourth, baking, handwa, cake. Fifth, shallow frying, vegetable, parathas. Sixth, boiling egg, potatoes. Next, page number 18, color the space in the picture which have dot in them the utensil that you use. तो यहाँ पे डॉट्स दिए गए, उसके यूटेंसिल को पहचान के आपको उस पर कलर फिल करना है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे ये एक यूटेंसिल से पॉट है, प्रेशर कुकर, पैन, तो इस पे आपको कलर करना है, ठीक है। यहाँ पे नाम लिखना है। फर्स्ट, फ्राइंग पैन. सेकंड, पॉट. थर्ड, सर्विंग स्पून. फोर्थ, कुकर. फिफ्थ, स्पैचुला. सिक्स, नॉन स्टिक पैन. सेवंथ, फ्राइंग ladle and 8, roasting pan. 7 question, answer the question given below. तो यहाँ पे 3 questions दिए. which things do we cook before eating? which things do we eat raw? which are the things we eat both cooked and raw? तो यहाँ पे फटाफट से आपको बॉक्स में लिखना है. things that are boiled, steamed before eating. things that are eaten raw. things that are eaten cooked. things that are eaten both raw and cooked. तो first, things that are boiled before eating, rice, khichdi, khaman, idli, dhokla. things that are eaten raw, carrot, tomato, cucumber, fruit, onion. Things that are eaten cooked, pulses, roti, bhakri, rice, khichdi. Things that are eaten both raw and cooked, cabbage, carrot, onion, tomato, radish. Next page number 81. Question 8. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. In first question, what kind of utensils were used earlier? What were they made of? The answer is, in the ancient times, utensils used to be bigger and heavier. Utensils of ancient times used to be made of copper, brass, iron, mud and bronze. Second question, what can be made in a cooker? The answer is khichdi, rice, dal, pulses, halwa, etc. can be made in a cooker. Question 3, write the name of any 10 utensils used for cooking in the kitchen of your house. The answer is a large bowls, second bowls, third frying ladders, fourth frying pan, fifth plates, sixth spatula, 7 spoon, 8 pot, 9 cooker, 10 roasting pan. Question 4, which condiments are used in cooking? The answer is condiments like salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, fenugreek seed, mustard seeds, as aphosedia powder, etc. Question 5, which food items are cooked before eating in your house? The answer is again pulses, vegetables, etc. cooked food eating. Question 6, what are utensils made of? The answer is utensils are made of steel, aluminum, copper, mud, etc. Question 9, answer the following questions briefly. In first question, which dishes does your mother make from raw ingredients without cook them? The answer is 1 lemonade, second salad of raw mangoes, onion, jaggery, third salad of raw tomato, beet, cucumber, fourth chutney of garlic and red chilies, fifth chutney of green chilies and coriander, 6 lassi, 7 mango puree, 8 raita, 9 curd. Question 2, what are the benefit of using a solar cooker? The answer is 1, since energy is obtained directly from the sun, fuel is saved. Second, food cooked and steamed with the help of solar energy is most nutritious and healthy. Third, food cooked and steamed in a solar cooker retain its original taste and quality. Fourth, food is easy to digest. Page number 82, 10th question, which are the other things you can prepare without cooking? First example, lemon water. First point, fruit dish. Second, lassi. Mix sugar in water. The answer is dice various fruits. Take 1 cup curd and sugar to it. Add lemon juice. The answer is add salt, sugar and chaat masala. Add small ice cube. Strain it. The answer is mix all the things well. Blend in mixture. Lemon juice is ready. The fruit dish is ready. The lassi is ready. Next question 11. Identify the picture given below and write their names. The picture with the list matching can be with more than think also. First, chula. Second, coal stove. Third, gas stove. Fourth, solar cooker. Fifth, primus. Sixth, electric hot plate. First, chula, wood, cow dung cakes. Second, coal stove, coal. Third, gas stove, gas. Fourth, solar cooker, sunlight. Fifth, primus, kerosene. Sixth, electric hot plate. The answer is electricity. Page number 83, activity in first, state which method of cooking are used in your house. The answer is various method of cooking are used in my house. When my mother makes rotis, she roasts them. She cook vegetable using the shallow fry method. She steam rice and boil dal. She steams and cook food like khichdi, dhokla. Sometimes she fry puris and pakoda. Question 2. What is used to cook in your house? Draw a picture and write it name. तो यहाँ पे आप खाना घर पे कैसे बनाते हैं, तो यहाँ पे मैंने उसका पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया है, यानी गैस सिलेंडर का. तो आप मैंने इंटरनेट थ्रू ये पिक्चर लिया है, ठीक है। आप अपने हिसाब से ये ड्रॉ कीजिए और उसका नाम यहाँ पे लिखिए गैस सिलेंडर, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हॉट क्वेश्चंस। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस बाय फाइंडिंग द करेक्ट आंसर्स ऑप्शन from those given below. Each question and writing corresponding letter in the given in front of each question. First question, which of the following method of cooking is beneficial for the environment? The answer is B, cooking on a gas stove. Second, utensil made from which of the following material were not used in olden time? The answer is C, steel. Third, which of the following vegetable can be eaten raw as well as cooked? The answer is C, onion. Fourth, in which of the following appliances is kerosene used? The answer is D, primus. Fifth, what is the liquid prepared by mixing curd, sugar and ice known as? The answer is B, लस्सी, ठीक है। तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है। अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, ठीक है। टेक केयर, बाय।